Hey, it's Sakari here. We just released one Mandala 1.0.2 and it comes with a big improvement. You can see on the left side the layer selector. It has been updated to support selecting as many layers as you like. Let's create something and I will show you. Just copying a bunch of layers here. Like that. Let's change the colors one by one to create something interesting. Like that. And now if I want to select multiple layers, I can either swipe here, like that, up or down, or select a single layer. The blue color indicates which layers are selected. But now we have this new way, which mimics the OmniGeometry way of selecting layers, add to selection. You can toggle it with the plus button here on the top right. Add layers to selected is on. And now if I use the arrows here to select a layer, I'm adding or subtracting layers from selection. So now you can easily just change these 4 layers, for example. And you can select from any point here, go up and down like this. It stays selected. And if you want to disable that multiple selection, just toggle this. This toggles always between one or multiple selected layers. And that was it. This makes one mandala already hugely more powerful, as you can now group your layers or select multiple layers. In the future we will add grouping support also, so that is something still to come. Anyway, hope you enjoy using one mandala. This is Sakari signing out. Bye bye.